In this video, I'm gonna show you how to speed up and slow down a video in Premiere Pro. So there are actually two ways to do it. So for now, I'll need to cut the clip. And the first way to do this one is to click on R or hover over here. On the left side, you'll see Rate Stretch Tool. And at the end of your clip, just click and drag outwards or farther away from your clip to make it more slowed. And now your clip is 62% slowed. Now right-click on your clip and time interpolation. From frame sampling, change that to optical flow. So now it would look like this. As you can see, it's kinda choppy. For you to fix this one, at the very start of your clip, click an I on your keyboard. At the end of your clip, click an O on the keyboard. So now you've set the in point and the out point of your video. And now hit enter to render your video. Now that you see it's green, meaning it's already rendered, it would look like this. It is way more smooth and way more better. Now that is for the slowed part. Let's say you want to make it very fast. So same thing that you gotta do is just click on R to activate the Rate Stretch tool and drag it way more closer to itself. And now you'll see that this clip right here is 570.67% faster, and it looks like this. And let me just click enter again to render the video. So that's the first way to do it. The second way to do it is by changing the values. If you right click on your clip, you see over here that there's a speed and duration. Click on that one. And from the speed itself, you can go for 50%. And you will see that it is changed to 50%. And same thing goes with that. Just make sure you have optical flow, render this. Or you can also speed in duration to make it faster, let's say 200%, you're 2 times faster now. And that's about it. Thank you all for watching this video.